Lighting can have a big impact on how video performs. In order to maximize the overall functionality of your TeamConnect Bar and get the best video performance, there are some easy things you can do. Ensure your meeting or learning space has good levels of lighting, ideally from a diffused light source, the most common setup for a standard business meeting space. Also, try to make sure lighting is evenly dispersed around the room with no extra bright or dark areas. It's also important to avoid directly pointing the camera towards any exterior windows or strong light sources that may be behind your meeting participants, as this tends to darken the person's image for the other end, producing a silhouette. If the room is set up in this way, look to install or use appropriate blinds, curtains, or shades as suits the environment to improve any such situations. This will help to reduce any brightness or glare, giving more even lighting behind the meeting participants. Another challenge is low-level lighting, which can also impact how people are shown on screen. In this case, additional or brighter lighting can resolve any issues. It really is important to get the initial setup correct so you can use your TeamConnect Bars video to its maximum capabilities. To further help with lighting setup or challenges, there are multiple video and camera support settings in the Sennheiser Management Control software that are specifically designed to enhance video performance. They can be found in the Camera tab and include settings such as white balance, exposure, brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and low light and backlight compensation. There's so much within the Sennheiser support system to help you solve those tricky lighting issues and get your TeamConnect Bar working to its best abilities for every meeting or learning setup.